Hello everybody over at Nimbus Roofing and Sheet Metal. My name is Hannah. I work with Dreamweaver Designs, and I'm making this video today to show you a few things that you can do yourself to start improving your online presence and start getting you some more traffic walking through your door, metaphorically at least. So, I pulled up your website here and I really like the layout. The look is good. It's sleek, and usually I don't like the websites, but I definitely like yours. It was well thought and put together, so good job on that. I'm noticing one thing though is that it's lacking a bit of content. Google loves to see content. In fact, they like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage minimum, and that's because they crawl your website and they search for words and phrases, keywords and phrases that people search for that will link you to those searches. And another thing that you can do too, other than content, is saving your photos correctly so that Google reads keywords behind your photos as well. So when I hit save image as, you notice as it comes up as a bunch of letters and numbers scrambled together. What we can do is we can save those as keywords that you want to rank for as well. So just another tip for you. I pulled up your competitors here, Cascade Roofing. They are at the top of Google My Business right now, killing it for traffic. And they have a little more content than you, but not much. And I definitely think that beating them is doable for sure. It's not, I would say, unrealistic by any means. So, and when we're adding content to our page, we want to make sure that it's keyword rich content, like I was telling you for the photos. So that's like adding specific words and phrases that people are going to be searching in Google in order to find your services or your business. I put your website in this tool called Ahrefs, and it pretty much just breaks down sites so that we can see in more depth, the kind of things that you're ranking for and whatnot. And looking at this, I can see that there's not really any SEO that's been done at all. And the reason I can tell that is because your referring domains here is at 8 and your backlinks are only at 22. If we were implementing SEO, we would probably be seeing anywhere from 2 to 300 referring domains with 1,000 backlinks linking back to you. But let's just go into the keywords here and see which ones you're ranking for. Nimbus Roofing, Commercial Roofing, Portland. So well, the good thing is that at least for the keywords that you are ranking for, you're on the first page for all of them, which is good. Now we just got to work on ranking you up on those in order to get you up in, front and center view in front of them. Another thing we want to do too is add some broader service-based keywords as well. And what we can do is we can go to our competitors. I pulled them up as well, and we can see they have 486 keywords that they're ranking for. And we can go in here and we can check out what keywords they're ranking for and their search volume per month. This is how many people per month are searching these specific keywords or terms or phrases. And we can add these as well to your profile and start ranking those up as well. So there's that. Another thing I wanted to go over with you guys is backlinks. So backlinks are pretty much when another website is referring back to your website. So, like if there was a blog, some website with a blog, and they were talking about, where to get their roof fixed, and they were saying, check out Nimbus Roofing. They really did a great job, and they would have a hyperlink with your website on it. And they could just click it, and it would go to your website. That's a backlink. And so, what backlinks do is they show Google that you're a trustworthy site, for one, that other websites are willing to link back to it and refer, to it, and two, that you're showing authority, that you're an authoritative website because people are wanting to go to your website. People are, vouching for you, per se. And same thing as the keywords, what we can do is we can go into your competitors. I'm pretty sure, so 242 domains with 1,200 backlinks. And I know it seems like a lot, but really when, you just get down to it and start doing it, it's really nothing. It doesn't take that long. Especially when you have a tool like this. And so when I pull up your competitors' backlinks, I want to go to the link type, and I want to make sure that we're hitting do follow, because those are the ones that are actually giving him points and getting them ranking. So all we would do is we would come in here and see which ones you guys are not are lacking that they have, and add those as well to your website, because if they're good enough to link to their website, then they're definitely good enough to link to yours. And if we wanted to start beating them or blowing them out of the water, then we would, do these and then some, just to get ahead of them. And that's how backlinks work. And it says currently you're getting only 6 people per month traffic-wise. If we were able to get our keywords ranking and get some backlinks and domains in there, the potential that we could be getting, or even more, could be something like sorry, it's taking forever to load. Just gonna pause this. Sorry about that. I had to wait for it to load. But this is the potential of what we could be getting, and even more, So, I don't know about you, but I think that would definitely help sales a lot. That would do a lot for a business per month, traffic-wise. The last thing I wanted to go over with you was citations. So I Googled just something really, really basic, roofers Portland, and we have your competitors here up at the top. And if you notice, when you pull up their card, it's got their name, address, and phone number, which is what we call NAPs, or a citation. And basically, how you start ranking here, besides ranking organically below, because you have to, in order to rank here, you have to rank in the organic section below, down here on either the first or second page. But in order to rank here, aside from that, you want to make sure that you have your citation in as many directories across the web as possible. As many as you can think of. So that would be like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, even Facebook. And you want to make sure that it's exactly the same as it is on your Google My Business card, so that you're getting counted for it. And Google will pretty much crawl the hundreds of millions of websites and see which ones are linking back to you and vice versa. And it's pretty much like a popularity contest. So the more the merrier, you know. And that's how you start ranking here. You also want to make sure that your card is all the way filled out as well with, your proper address, and maybe add some photos and a service section that tells people the services that you offer and whatnot. And yeah, so that's pretty much everything I got for you today. Feel free to implement these at your own discretion. But I found that by giving people these videos and, showing them what they can do in order to start increasing traffic, it has still left me with some business owners saying that they would prefer somebody else to worry about that part of their business so that they could focus on actually running it. And if this is you, or if you like what you see, please feel free to shoot me an email or give me a call. I'll leave the email and my phone number in this email linked with this video as well. I would also just love to hear, any feedback that you had on this video whatsoever. So, thanks for listening, and have a good day.